Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. This time we're gonna have a new discovery kit from Birchbox. Actually I have two, but because one of them it's just with lipsticks, I will leave that for my next video because I wanna try all of them, so I don't wanna take too long the video. So in this one I will have the nighttime necessities kit. This PM skincare products guarantee you'll get your beauty sleep. Here is the bag, and as usually I will leave the link down below. It's a pretty nice bag, and the zipper doesn't work finally. Anyway, let's see what we get in this one, what Birchbox recommend as a nighttime routine. And we have all the products here with the prices for full size. We get it after a long day. The last thing you feel like doing is spending a ton of time on a nighttime beauty routine. This kit was created to simplify your skincare steps with products that cleanse, treat and moisturize, plus a few other bedtime bonuses, so you can rest easy knowing you'll wake up bright-eyed and glowing come morning. So we have the first thing in here, which seems to be a full-size product. This one is Glow Home Spa Bunny Ears Head Band. And about this one, this is $9.99. Sweep strands away from your face with this adorable bunny inspired hairband. So let me show you this one. It's not quite a product that I use, but when you get them in boxes, why not? It's not something that I usually buy, and you'll see how I look with those in some of my videos. So far this one is a pink color, and you just have the ears here. Will be too funny to see me wearing this, but anyway, if you would like to. So here is the first product in here, and this one's supposed to look like this. So I don't really see me wearing this, but anyway, we'll try. The first product in the kit. Then we have from Kiehl's, we have this one, and this one is Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil, full size. It's $32. This one comes with 1.4 fluid ounce, which is 40 milliliters. Looks like this. I like the blue on their packaging. This one, massage a few drops of this lightweight oil into dry skin to melt away dirt, oil and makeup. It transforms into a milky emulsion once you add water, leaving skin feeling soft, not greasy. So a nice brand in here, and I just had the advent calendar from them. Then we have a Huxley product. It's a Korean brand, and this one is Secret of Sahara. Trying to see how much is in this one, and we don't have the size, the quantity in this one. It's an essence, looks like this, and this one in a full size it's $58. This formula combines the lightweight hydration of an essence with the nourishing power of an oil to help skin better absorb wherever you layer over it, pat into dry skin right after cleansing. So Huxley, it's a great Korean brand. Then we have a Peter Thomas Roth product, and that one is, trying to find that one, is this one, another blue packaging, and this one comes with 12 milliliters, which is 0.4 fluid ounces. About this one is Retinol Fusion PM Night Serum. A full size of this is $65. This powerhouse retinol treatment refines skin texture to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Moisturizing vitamin C and E make it gentle enough for all skin types. Apply 2-3 drops after you cleanse. If you have sensitive skin, avoid combining retinol with other exfoliating products like peels. So it's good to know to not use this one if you're using a peeling pad. So keep that in mind. Then we have an we have the next product, a Derma E product, which is this one. It's overnight peel. Looks like this, and this one comes with 7 milliliters. In a full size of this one, the full size it's $18.75. Overnight peel with AHAs. This alpha hydroxy acids in this treatment dissolve dead skin cells to brighten skin as you sleep. After cleansing, apply an even layer to skin, avoiding the eye area. Skip your nighttime moisturizer. Rinse in the AM. So I always love those cards because they give you great information about the product and how to use them. Because for example, and also on the packaging says we use 1-2 times a week. So on the packaging it doesn't say to skip the moisturizer, so it's always good to read the card. Then we have a Estee Lauder product. It's a sample. This is Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix, and let me show you the size of this. Is that foil pack. Magnify the beauty of your eyes. About this one, Advanced Night Repair Eye Serum Synchronized Complex 2, a full size at 66. Per cup tired look eyes with this gel cream that features the brand's Chronolux CB technology to minimize dark circles, puffiness and fine lines as you sleep. So another great brand in here. Unfortunately it's just a foil sample. Then we have Dr. Jart, and this one is Cicapair Tiger Grass Cream. The full size is 48, formulated with the medicinal herb Centella asiatica. This healing, calming and deeply hydrating cream treats redness, blemishes, inflammation and other skin irritation. This one comes with 0.17 fluid ounces, which is 5 milliliters. And I keep telling you for a long time that I will try this one. And I'm trying to show you the size of this. As usual, this is the 5 milliliter size. And the last product in here, a very well known one, is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray in a deluxe sample. This one comes with 5 milliliters, which is 0.17 fluid ounces. About this one, the full size is 29. Clinically proven to aid a good sleep night's rest. This calming infusion of lavender and chamomile helps you fall asleep faster. Just spray it on your pillow right before bed. I'm using this one. I used to use this one every night. I'm using this one just once or twice a week lately, but still on my nightstand always. So a great product to have it on hand. That's kind of all for this discovery bag. So far we have the sleeping pillow, and also I saw, and I will have soon, the FabFitFun edit for fall. The what's the name? The This Works came out with a night body moisturizer, which might take place to this one. So can't wait to get that box and to show it, to have a video for you. So is the Deep Pillow Spray. We have the Peter Thomas Root Night Serum in a good size. We have the Kiehl's Cleansing Oil, another good size in here, better than the advent calendars. We have the Huxley Essence. They're my overnight pill. We have the Dr. Jart Tiger Glass Cream. We have that sample from Estee Lauder, which is Advanced Night Repair for eye concentrate, and we have those bunny ears. So this is all in this kit. As usual, I will leave it in the description box if you wanna check them. Also, I am not sure if it's still they have available the Oribe limited edition kit, which is a great one, $68, but filled with Oribe products. I don't have to tell you how much I love Oribe, especially as hair care. But anyway, that's another news. Here was the nighttime necessity kit from Birchbox. I will see you soon with another video, and I will try to film the lip holidays one. So in the meantime, you have an amazing day. I will see you guys very soon. Bye bye.